Yeah, hey everyone. In today's video I'm going to be demonstrating the include all metadata option available for SFTP v2 get and query operations. Essentially what this feature does is it modifies the incoming file in JSON format where it'll have a field for content type and a field for last modified date. I will go ahead and run this process to demonstrate this behavior. I'm picking up a very simple TXT document from my SFTP server with some random data in it. As you can see, we now have curly braces with file content, and this is the actual content that is within the file, and then a modified date. In subsequent processing, you could add a map with a JSON profile to then break those values out into separate documents or whatever is required for your processing needs. Thank you for watching.